Today, let's take a look at a channel called Cartoon Hero Verse. This channel has over 321,000 subscribers and more than 331 videos, and the creator is based in the United States. The fascinating part is that the channel focuses on Sonic-style animated characters, and you can clearly see this consistent theme in almost all of their videos. When you watch their content, you'll notice something important. The videos are amazing, super engaging, and visually very appealing. Both kids and adults absolutely love these types of animations. And here's the shocking part. Almost every video on their channel has millions of views. That means the creator is earning hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars per year, simply by making these simple story-style animated videos. So my friend, in today's video, we are going to recreate this exact style using free AI tools, without needing any animation skills, without spending money, and without professional software. This is your chance to start your own animation channel, just like Cartoon Hero Verse, and build a successful faceless brand. So my friend, make sure you watch this video till the very end, because SkillTech Studio works hard to bring you the most powerful AI methods and the latest strategies. Alright then, let's start the video without wasting any more time. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate Sonic-style prompts. First, we will go to ChatGPT. Once you are on the website, take a screenshot of the best thumbnail from the reference channel, or simply upload it directly into the chat. You can also copy the channel link and paste it into ChatGPT. Now type a simple message like this. I want to create Sonic-style animated videos like this channel. Please give me 10 image prompts based on the screenshot. ChatGPT will instantly analyze your screenshot and the channel style. Within seconds, it will give you 10 high-quality, perfectly designed image prompts that match the exact style of the reference channel. Once you get your image prompts, we move to the next part. Now ask ChatGPT again. Please also give me 10 motion prompts in the same Sonic animation style. ChatGPT will instantly generate the best motion prompts, perfectly aligned with the character, background style, animation type, and video theme. So friends, in just a few seconds, we now have both. Image prompts, motion prompts. These are the core elements you will need for your animated video. Simply copy these prompts to your device, save them, and get ready for the next step. Now that our prompts are ready, let's move forward and learn how to turn these prompts into AI-generated images and videos using completely free tools. Let me introduce you to an incredible platform called Higsfield, a powerful all-in-one AI ecosystem that is quickly becoming a favorite among creators. This site includes multiple AI models, creative tools, and advanced editing options, all inside a single interface. And the best part? Every user receives 10 free credits daily, which is unbelievably generous for a platform of this level. When you browse the homepage, you'll find a massive collection of examples showcasing what people have created. Stunning AI photos, cinematic videos, animation clips, and more. The results are so realistic and imaginative that it's almost hard to believe they were made by AI. On the left sidebar, you'll notice the Images tab. Inside, there are nearly 16 different image generation models, and among them is the newly released Kling O1, which has become extremely popular. Right below it is the Video tab, packed with around 22 video generation models, also featuring Kling O1. Higsfield even includes extra editing tools, apps like Popcorn AI, and a growing community where creators can explore and share their work. How we'll use it? Image generation. First, head to the Images section and select Kling O1. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and other vertical content formats. Set your preferred resolution. If you have a Pro or Unlimited plan, you can enable continuous generation. Now, take the first image prompt you received from ChatGPT and paste it into the text field. Hit Generate. Within just 1 to 3 minutes, your first AI masterpiece will appear. Boom! Take a look. The output is absolutely stunning. Repeat the same steps for the second prompt. Paste it, click Generate, wait a minute or two. And there it is, another gorgeous image. Continue this process for all your remaining prompts, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Every image produced by Kling O1 looks detailed, vibrant, and incredibly realistic. Since this model is newly released, the quality is shockingly high and truly stands out compared to most generators. Once you're done, download and save all the images to your device. These visuals will be the foundation for creating your Minecraft-style animated video later. Turning images into videos. Kling O1 video model. Now let's animate everything. Head to the Kling O1 video generator, which is my personal favorite on Higsfield. It supports both static images and video inputs, making it perfect for smooth and cinematic AI animations. Click Start now to open the tool. You'll see two workspace modes, Elements and Frames. Both work great, but for this tutorial, we'll stick to Elements. Next steps: upload your first image from the Kling O1 image model, return to ChatGPT, and copy your first motion prompt. Paste that motion prompt into the motion field, choose a duration. 5 to 8 seconds works great, but you can extend up to 10. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Click Generate. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for the rendering to finish. And then, wow! Your first animation is ready, and the movement looks incredibly natural and smooth. Now upload your second image, paste the second motion prompt, and generate again. Do this for every single image until your entire set is animated. After they all finish rendering, preview your videos. Each one will look polished, consistent, and professional. This proves that Higgsfield's Kling O1 is powerful enough to make an entire animated sequence from scratch. Bonus feature: on the sidebar, you'll also find options like Draw to Video and Sketch to Video. These tools can take a rough doodle or outline and convert it into a full animation. Just upload your sketch, and the model does the rest. Final step: editing your videos. CapCut. Now that all your AI videos are ready, it's time to edit everything inside CapCut, one of the easiest and most effective editing programs available right now. Open CapCut and import all the videos you generated. Drag them onto the timeline and arrange them in the order you want, so the entire animation flows smoothly. Add transitions between each clip. A simple black fade works beautifully and keeps the pacing clean. Next, enhance your visuals using the color adjustment tools. Experiment with brightness, contrast, saturation, highlights, and sharpness to make your scenes pop. After that, choose background music or sound effects. CapCut's library has tons of free audio tracks that match every mood: adventures, gaming, action, or cinematic themes. Once everything looks polished, export the video in 4K quality for the best outcome on YouTube or social media. CapCut also offers advanced tools such as keyframe animations, overlays, text effects, and filters, so you can customize your video to look even more professional. And just like that, your final animated video is done. Let's preview it. Wow! The results look absolutely fantastic. Special announcement: Higsfield discount offer. Before we wrap up, here's something truly exciting. Higsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling O1 generations for anyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plan before December 7th. When you compare their pricing plans, it becomes clear they are offering some of the cheapest AI rates available today. This makes it one of the most affordable and powerful AI platforms in the industry right now. If you want to start creating viral content, this is the perfect time to get started. If this tutorial helped you, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support motivates me to bring more AI tutorials, creative tools, and step-by-step guides for you. Thank you so much for watching. Now go ahead and start creating your own amazing AI animations with Higsfield.